Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading into Staten Island to PLP Frame and Restoration to hang out with Joe, talk cars, get some lunch, and see what is dry ice blasting. Follow along, let's go.
Hello everybody, my name's Joe. I'm the operations manager and owner of PLP Frame Works and Restoration. It's a family operated and owned business. Myself, my son runs the shop. Come in, take a look. So
We're in Staten Island.
We're Staten Island, New York.
Yep.
Right by the Bayonne Bridge. You know, I've been living here my whole life, just in the neighborhood. We have a neighborhood following. We have an auto body shop.
The body shop right next door.
Full service auto body shop, frame machine. We have frame machines, welding, body work, undercarriage restoration. We fix frames. We do dry ice blasting.
Yeah, let's go check
out
it.
Machine. Let's check out some of the equipment. Over here, we have this Tahoe that we've been working on. That is a little frame welding. It got cleaned with some dry ice. Over here we have the dry ice machine. This is the Cold Jets PCS 60 Ultra.
So it's got a detail gun and a production gun, so it could do everything from, it could clean Alcantara to take coating off the bottom.
Right, so we use it for rust, mostly because we're in the truck business. We do a lot of Toyotas, FJ Cruisers, 4Runners. We do classic cars. We do a couple different coatings. We do a wool wax, a wet coating. We do a Dinitrol coating, a dry coating. All rust protection. Just a general undercoating to service. We get a lot of pickup trucks and everything that need frame repair. So that's a lot of work. We have to cut the metal out, put new steel in, and that's a big part of it. But come with me, we'll take a look at the laser machine. The shop, we had a long week, so we have everything everywhere. This is our laser machine. This is a 1500 watt laser machine. We use this to strip rust down. It could take paint off. We've actually cleaned barbecues with it. It's very, very, very popular machine. A lot of people don't have it. This is a 1500 machine. We could take this all the way down from 1500 to 100 watts. 35 millimeter width. We could go to 100 wide. This is the speed, that's the laser power, and that's the frequency, because it's all by frequency. We use it a lot. This is the shop, and this is an FJ Cruiser right here that's getting some framework. So if anybody needs framework or any undercarriage restoration in New York tri-state area, give us a call. Staten Island, New York, 10306.
What's your social media?
We are PLP Frame Works Restoration on Facebook. We are on Instagram. We are on TikTok. I think we have a YouTube station. So check us out. If anybody needs anything, give us a call, 718-701-6496. Have a good day.
Thanks, Joe, and appreciate you letting me check out the shop.
No problem.
Make sure to go over to OnlyDetailers check out some shirts. Follow us on social media as well, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Thank you, sir.